how to sign into your BCBS online account. So let's get started. So first thing first is head over to your any web browser, and to log into your BCBSM online account, you just have to head over to the bcbsm.com, which stands for Blue Cross Blue Shield Blue Care Network of Michigan. So once you redirect to this page, you can just tap on this login page just like this, or login button at the top right corner right next to menu if you are using Android. So if you are a member, you can just head over to the member section, and if you are a provider or agent or employee, you can just choose respectively. So for now, I'll simply choose as a member, which will take me to this page where you can easily enter your registered username as well as your password just like this. And you can actually reduce two-step verification on this device by simply pressing on this button over here and simply logging in. And if you ever forget your username or password, you can just tap on these respective links over here to quickly reset your password as well as your username. And if you haven't registered it, you can just tap on this register button to quickly register your new account just like that for BCBSM. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.